a nap.
What were you doing? What are we going to hide here? Hey there, Mr. Turtle. What doing?
Watch out, there's a snake behind you.
Oh, it's Neil. I don't like snakes. No.
Okay, go over, run.
What are you talking about? Mr. Foggy, what doing? Hey, Sonic the Hedgehog, what doing? I don't like to touch it. Oh, it's too sharply. No. It's nice here. It's a nice garden. It's pretty. It's really quiet here.
Go into your bed.
What are you guys doing?
We're playing Luigi's Mansion.
Who is that?
They're put from Luigi Mansion 3, and I'm Luigi.
I have no idea what you're talking about.
Luigi's Mansion 3.
That guy's, they're so loud.
Stop it, put the pup.
I don't know what he's talking about.
Okay, get your food. There's a dog.
A dog?
I'm Luigi.
What kind of dog?
Ghost dog.
I don't know what he's doing. Oh.
I'm not Mario Owen. I'm Luigi.
What? Mario? Are you talking about Mario? That's my daddy.
Oh.
Why you have Spider-Man everywhere, are you?
Luigi!
Oh, Luigi. That smells good.
What do you want from me?
Well, I would be for your friend.
Okay, but I have to suck up a ghost.
What? But I have your superpowers. I don't have any superpowers.
Here's a vacuum. I suck up.
Okay, look, give me a high shake.
Huh?
Give me a high shake.
How it goes?
Yeah, give me a high shake. I'll be your superhero partner. I'll be your sidekick.
I have to see if there's any ghosts first.
Well, why do you play golf ball?
No, you're Polter Pup. Yeah, but you're my little puppy. I have to see if there's any here.
Well, what are you looking for?
Ghost, so I can show you.
What ghost? I don't like ghosts. Not Halloween yet. Boy. Oh boy.
I got it in.
Oh, I thought dirt on my nose. Can you help me?
Wait, wait.
I thought a dirt booger on my nose. Thanks. Thanks.
Okay, how about we go?
Oh wait, we're gonna have to fight that, guys.
No, we have to just catch the ghost.
To catch the ghost?
And we need to get King Boo.
Catch the ghost.
Mario, my brother. That means I'm your uncle. Because Mario's my brother and he's your daddy.
No! Mario's my dad.
My brother is one.
Yeah, oh, never mind. Just.
And then you say, you're my uncle.
Oh, a ghost. Oh, he's a ghost. He's a ghost.
It's only Polter Pup, the dog ghost.
Oh, don't touch me.
Polter Pup.
He's gonna scare me. He's gonna scare me.
I think
Oh, come on. Come on, motorcycle. Ow. Whoa. Spider-Man. Spider-Man, where are you? Oh, I have to climb the tree. Spider-Man, where are you? Ow.
Polter Pup, here's a doggy tree. Here's all of them.
Oh. Okay. Oh.
Stop it!
Where are we going to hide?
Polter Pup, here's some treats. You eat them.
What treats? Well, I'm saying what treats? Ow, my shoes.
Hungry.
Ow.
Are you hungry? Here's a doggy bone. I
I want doggy food. Hey, where we're going with this? Where we're... going with this?
We have to go through here.
I don't know about this. Secret here. What's your name?
Luigi.
Luigi. Well,
Now yours my brother.
yeah, but you're
I
my.
think we should go out. Turn around.
Yeah, you're my uncle. So let's go.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, come on. Let's go.
Go.
Oh,
Go, well, wait.
what you doing? Do what there?
You're the annoying person.
All right. Let's see where we're going. We need a map.
Watch out. Oh, no, not like that.
Secret here. We need a map to see where we are.
Uncle, you mean?
Oh, a goat.
I'm just not a superhero. I will protect her.
Spinach? We can eat this for dinner.
Point. Stay away, Put Stop it.
What is going on? I'm getting out of here.